When it comes to dropshipping, there are hundreds of tutorials out there, but if you're tired of vague, lengthy tutorials that seem interested in selling you something rather than teaching you, well, you are in the right place. Today, I'll be guiding you step by step on how you can start your own dropshipping business without having to spend hundreds of dollars upfront. Now, this particular method has the potential to make you thousands of dollars, so make sure you stick to this video till the end. Alright, the first step to dropshipping is actually finding a good product that people would actually buy. So you want to be listing products that people would see and be eager to purchase. TikTok is actually a great place to start for beginners. You simply go to TikTok and search TikTok made me buy it. And you can simply filter by the most liked videos or basically the most recent set of videos. So you want to scroll through and look for the videos that are most recent. Now, what this strategy does is that it reveals products with recent viral interest, giving you a chance to capitalize on fresh demand before others catch on and it becomes way saturated. Now, one way to identify this product is that if a product has over 10,000 likes, then it is a good sign that the product is interesting to people. So when choosing a product, we want to find a product that makes you think like, wow. So like a wow product, something that solves a problem or excites people. For instance, a unique gadget that catches the eye can be a great choice. So I found this car phone holder that fits our description. You can see it's over 16K and it's very, very recent. And for the purpose of this video, we will be using this product, but ensure that you do your own research before choosing your own wow product. Now, the next thing you will need is a reliable supplier. You can use Alibaba or Temu to search for the exact product name, like our 360 car phone holder. So when you search for it here, 360 dashboard cell phone holder, you can see it right here. And once you see that in your supplier store, you want to look for suppliers that are offering good reviews and prices, but be sure to factor in the shipping cost. Remember that a cheaper product can sometimes end up more costly if the shipping fees are high. So you can see this is a $4 product and you can see it's even almost sold out. That is to say that it is really high in demand. So now that we have our product, it's time for us to build a compelling store. Now, for stores and for building stores, Shopify is the platform that 90% of dropshippers use, although not technically necessary. I made a video on how to do dropshipping as a beginner without having to use Shopify, and I'm going to be linking it to the end of this video. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using Shopify for those who are interested in starting their own dropshipping business leveraging Shopify. So with Shopify, you can start a free trial, as Shopify lets you do that. And after that, you'd have to pay just $1 for the next 3 months, which is cool, right? And literally almost no upfront costs. And this is just the only money that you will be paying within that period of time. So what you want to simply do, of course, is to sign up and start creating your store. So you can either sign up with your email, with Google, with Apple, or with Facebook. So once you do that, you will be taken to this point where you want to continue, creating your store. You will need to fill in your details, your first name, your last name, follow through the process and click save. Now, the next thing you want to do is create a new store, and you're just simply going to click create a new store. So once you click on create a new store, it's going to bring you to this page to ask you where would you like to sell. So you simply click an online store and click next. You click which best describes you. You can say I'm not selling yet since you're a beginner. And what do you plan to sell? You can just simply choose I'll decide later. It will bring you to this point where it says choose the best plan for you, but because you want to try the free one, you can click on skip and I will decide later. And once you are in your store, you simply want to go to the settings and do some basic changes like your store name, your store phone, and your store email. Now, make sure to create a new business email specially for your store, so you need to avoid using your own personal email. Once that is done, Shopify would guide you through the setting up of your store. So the next thing is to import your first products to Shopify. So you want to click on add products. Once you click on add product, the next thing you want to do is go to your supplier store. And for the purpose of this video, we will be making use of Temu. So you want to select your supplier on Temu and you simply want to copy and paste the details. So this is our supplier here, and you can see you just simply want to copy and paste the name, the title, and everything. Now you can see that this costs about $4 with free shipping. And if I am paying today, I can actually buy it for just $1.02. And this is great because we get to keep a whole lot of the profit. And as you can see, this is another supplier store, which is AliExpress. And you can see that they are selling this for about $16. And this is why we are leveraging on Temu, because of the lower cost. And also because if you sign up with the link in my description, you would get a free $100 coupon bundle for any purchase. You're going to also get exclusive deals on products and also free gifts. So make sure to click the link in my bio and sign up for Temu. Now, always remember that visual content is crucial. So ensure to use a mix of pictures and GIFs. And GIFs are like very short videos that display or that will display how the product works. This would appeal more to the human buying psychology. When they are able to see how the product works, people will actually want to buy. One way that you can do this is that you can take these particular videos on TikTok and you can make use of any video editing tool like CapCut or Canva, and you can simply turn it into a GIF. Also ensure that you do a little bit of research just to ensure that you add compelling reasons to buy and structure it in such a way that it is intriguing and can help drive sales. I would suggest that you set your price with at least 100% markup. So you can see our price here is 8.19. Why? Because our supplier store is selling at 4.09. So for example, if you get a product for $15, aim to sell it for about $30. And you can also use this compare at price. This compare at price is more like indicating that the product is like on sales and people should quickly hurry before the sales is over. And then once you are done, you want to click on save. Now, there are several other items on the to-do list in setting up your store completely, and you want to simply follow through. Now, based on how you describe your business, because you can see, describe your business to create unique themes with personalized content. And because we are selling something like a gadget, a car phone holder, I just put in modern gadgets and generate themes. So based on how you describe your business, Shopify will create unique themes for you. So you can choose freely the theme that you feel best fits your business. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be going with this balance because it resonates more with our business. And you can see by the time we're done, this is how our store is going to look like. Now, just make sure our store is more professional and optimized. You can add apps to your store to help drive better sales. Now, apps like A-Reviews can help import reviews from your supplier store to your store, which can help build more trust in your product. Another app you want to set up is Tidio. Now, this Tidio will help notify you when anyone is on your store by providing live chat options. And you also want to set up this essential countdown timer bar on your website just to create a sense of urgency for your prospects to buy before sales ends. So make sure to craft a clean homepage that directs visitors to your product page seamlessly. And now, when all is said and done, you want to begin driving traffic to your store because promotion is key. And because this video is to show you how you can do dropshipping with literally no upfront cost, you can actually do it for free, and I'm going to be showing you how. So what you want to do is leverage social media to create organic content. Now, you can post short clips by showcasing your product on TikTok. You can use Instagram. You can use YouTube Shorts. And you don't even need to buy the product. Just use available content to engage your audience. For example, this kind of content that we already saw on TikTok. So you can craft similar content. You can just re-edit them and post. And also, if you prefer not to handle the promotion yourself, you don't want to have to do video editing or stay in front of any camera, then you can consider affiliate marketing. Now, what you want to do is you want to work with influencers that are within the niche of the kind of products that you want to sell. Then you can offer them a commission on the sales. So offering them a commission for each sale can motivate these influencers to help promote your product. So they will promote the product, and for every prospect that turns into a customer that ends up buying your product, they get a commission. So you do not pay them upfront. They only get a commission when there is a sale. And there you have it, a straightforward, no upfront cost way of setting up your own dropshipping business. Now, always remember that this would require commitment and dedication. So with dedication and of course with smart use of these tools and techniques, you'll be well on your way to generating sales without spending any fortune upfront. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more if you found this helpful. Check out the video I've attached here if you do not want to leverage Shopify. This particular one is totally free. You do not have to pay even $1 at all. So stay tuned. Ciao.